Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing sounds and vibration over here. Following that, you can click on sound and tap on the switcher next to vibratory ringing. This way you can switch on or off vibrations by incoming calls, but you can also select vibrate and mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Now click on call vibration pattern over here and select one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one, like TikTok, or you can also disable it completely by choosing silent. Then go back and do exactly the same for your notification vibration pattern. After that, tap on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of that vibrations by swiping left or right. Then go back and click on System Sound Vibration Control. Over here you need to scroll all the way down. Under vibration section over here, as you can see, there are some features. If you wish to enable or disable vibrations for them, you need to tap on the problem switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!